Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's Blizzard Bob live, your favorite local weatherman. While it appears there is still ice on the road, it looks like the bulk of it is behind us. We have more wild, wacky weather moving in to Georgia. Who would have thought? 2 weekends in a row. It looks like just a nice dry snow. How refreshing. We'll be here tomorrow morning when we wake up. And before things get bad and conditions deteriorate, if you run out of snacks, it is time to go re-up at your local store because I have a feeling conditions are going to deteriorate. This is Blizzard Bob reporting live.